How to not see quick ad stories on Snapchat. So first is to launch the Snapchat application and tap on the Bitmoji at the top left corner of your screen. Tap the gear icon or the settings icon located on the top right corner. And then scroll down to find the privacy control section. Then select See Me in Quick Ad. Now uncheck the box beside Show Me in Quick Ad so that the Quick Ad feature will be disabled. So you can also disable notifications for Quick Ad on Snapchat. To do so, just go back until you're back to the settings page. Scroll up until you find notifications. Select this setting, and then uncheck the box beside Friend Suggestions. So by disabling this feature, you will not be receiving any Quick Ad notifications. And so that is how to not see Quick Ad stories on Snapchat. Thank you and have a great day.